Hey guys, Ryan here, and in this video I'm going to be covering how to spawn crafted materials in Horizon Forbidden West. So unlike the previous game in the series, Forbidden West does have a armour and weapons upgrade system, with more powerful items requiring more rare machine parts for each of the upgrade levels. Now the issue with the system, however, is that all the best items in the game require incredibly rare material parts, or even appear on a single location of the game map, which means that farming for these machine parts can take hours, as you're never guaranteed the drop that you want. So to remove this tedium, I'm going to be using a fantastic tool called the Gameplay Tweaks and Achieved Menu mod, and you can find this on Nexus Mods. Now this is a fully featured tool that allows you to customise the game to your liking, and also remove some of these arbitrary restrictions that you might find in the main game, although this video is just going to be focusing on covering the item spawning functionality. So to install this mod, on the main page you want to choose the option here where it says Files, and under the heading of Main Files, click on the button that says Manual Download. Once this is downloaded, you want to right click on the Archive and Extract. And inside the extractor folder you'll find there's two files. There's a modconfig.ini file and a winhtp.dll file. So let's take a copy of both of those. So Ctrl A and then Ctrl Z. And with those two files now in place, the mod itself is now installed. So let's crack on and let's launch the game. Okay, so with the game running, we need to now press the title key, which is the little icon that's to the left of the number 1 on a standard keyboard. And when you press that, at the top, as you can see, there's now 3 options. You've got gameplay, cheats, and miscellaneous. We want to choose the second option, which is cheats. And then if you have a look about near the bottom, there's an option here where it says player inventory. So let's open that up. And what this will do is pop up a window which lists every single obtainable item in the game. So for example, to spawn in 5 Dreadwing Metal Fangs, which is quite a rare material to find, let's search for the word Dread. As you can see, we've got 5 results here. So we want to choose the option here, which is Dreadwing Metal Fang. So if we click on it once, we get an option to either add 1, add 5, or double the existing quantity. And you can also remove as well. So let's add 5, so click on add 5. And as you can see, that's just immediately spawned in 5 Dreadwing Metal Fangs. Now the same process can basically be repeated for any material that you want to obtain in the world, and once you're happy with what you've spawned, simply just close the window and then press the title key again. And that's it really. You've now got an incredibly straightforward way to spawn and craft materials in Horizon Forbidden West. So in conclusion, Horizon Forbidden West is a great game. However, much like many other open world games out there, when it comes to the late game, the farming for materials is quite frankly annoying and it gets tedious. However, as you can see with a simple mod, this aspect of the game can be removed. In either case, thank you for watching this quick video today, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and also smash that subscribe button to see more content like this in the future. Thanks again, and I'll catch you again next time. Bye now.